Hello guys, what's up for today's video? So we talk about the law of the UAE. So as we know that the government of Bangladesh now, they are facing the difficulties and problem about the people and the government. So for us that we are working here in UAE, especially for the Bangladesh people, so please avoid to do the union or protest because it's not allowed and it's prohibited here in UAE. In the United Arab Emirates, including Dubai, public demonstration and rallies are generally not permitted without prior authorization from the government. So please guys, avoid this, include union rallies, protests and gathering. The UAE places it's a restriction on the public gathering and maintain the public order. So please avoid. So I saw on the college time that sa Bangladesh people, they are protesting about what happened on their country as of now, and now they are facing problems. So let's check about the UAE rules if you are doing like this kind of situation. So please, so we are here to work. We know that your country now facing good problem, but we are here to work, and this country is not allowed to do the rally and protest. So let's watch what is the rules and what is the consequence or fine.
Protests and demonstrations are illegal in the UAE. This is in accordance with the UAE Penal Code, and in particular Article 197(1). Specifically, the law penalizes anyone who participates in a public gathering in order to prevent or obstruct the implementation of the UAE laws and which endanger public security and peace. The punishment can include imprisonment and a fine of not less than 200,000 dirhams. Moreover, Article 197(2) penalizes anyone who uses technology or any other methods to instigate acts which compromise the UAE's security and public safety. The punishment is temporary imprisonment. Unauthorized public...
Yes, okay guys. Understand your situation. If you are in your country, it's fine, you do the protest like that, but don't please. We are here to earn money in this country and to feed our family. So if you do against the law here in Dubai, so you will face a problem, and it will be give you a problem to government of UAE will deport you. So avoid guys, and I hope you understand, all of you, our brother and sister from Bangladesh. So thanks so much.